Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower brooch. To make my brooch I'll be reusing this thin polyester fabric, which looks like that, and circle pattern piece 10 centimeters diameter. First I'll cut out circle fabric pieces out of this polyester fabric. And here my first circle pattern piece is cut out, looks like that. I have cut out approximately 100 circle pattern pieces in total. Next I'll burn edges on these circle pattern pieces all around so they don't fray. All pattern pieces are prepared now. Next I'll create a flower. I will be using hot glue gun, a brooch pin, felt fabric piece, I'll sew that brooch pin on top there, thread needle, scissors and a dish which is 10 centimeters diameter as well. Now I'll create a flower. I'm placing this circle fabric piece so the shiny side is facing down, like that. Applying hot glue on a half side of this circle fabric piece and gluing other circle fabric piece on top like that, and repeating same with other circle fabric pieces like so. When I have reached the other edge, I'm applying hot glue on both circle fabric pieces like that, and I'm gluing circle fabric piece on top, so I'm joining both edges together, and I have used 10 circle fabric pieces in first layer, and now I'm just repeating same process till I use all of the circle fabric pieces. And I will continue gluing these circle fabric pieces till my flower is formed. So this is how it looks. So I'm nearly finished. Repeating same process, and as you can see I'm using less fabric circles around and the middle opening is nearly closed. And last circle fabric piece I'll glue in the middle there so it closes up middle opening. So I'm gluing that in the middle there. Also I have decided to fill that middle with a wadding so it has a nice structure in the flower. So I'm gluing that wadding in the middle like that. So it fills the flower and the flower is nice and secure. So this felt fabric piece will be too small now. So what I will do, I will glue this polyester circle fabric piece in the middle so it hides the wadding inside and it doesn't come out. So I'm gluing that circle pattern piece at the back there. So it looks like that. So it's nice and secure, wadding is not going to come out. So this is the front of the flower, looks like that. I'm evening out all of the flower circles all around it. Next I'm applying hot glue in a crease there and I'm gluing those circle fabric pieces to other side so it kind of hides that crease and the flower has more shape. I'm cutting off this circle a little bit so it doesn't overpower the middle, evening out all of the circle pattern pieces. Looks like that. Next, I have cut out 11 cm diameter felt fabric piece and I will sew on this brooch there. And my brooch is sewed on, looks like that. Next, I will apply hot glue all around the back of this felt fabric piece there, and a little bit on the back of the flower, and I'm gluing this felt fabric piece at the back of the flower. I'm pressing that felt fabric piece at the back of the flower quite hard so it sticks well. So this is the front of the flower. And this is the back of the flower, and my flower brooch is finished. Now I'll try on my new flower brooch. If you have any questions how I made this flower brooch, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.